Hey, my name is Charlotte. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool KNOB part #WPW10437088. The Whirlpool KNOB part #WPW10437088 is a replacement part for Whirlpool ovens. It is a black plastic knob with a white indicator line and a metal shaft that fits into the oven control panel. This knob is used to adjust the temperature of the oven, as well as to select different cooking functions. The knob has a small arrow on it that points to the current setting. It also has a small button in the center of the knob that can be pressed to reset the oven to its factory settings. This part is compatible with many Whirlpool models, including some Maytag and KitchenAid models. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement knob for a Whirlpool range. It is used to control the temperature of the oven and stovetop burners. It can fix symptoms such as a broken or worn out knob or one that does not turn properly. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the appliance from the power source. 2. Remove the existing knob by pulling it off the shaft of the control panel. 3. Insert the new knob onto the shaft of the control panel and turn it clockwise until it is securely in place. 4. Plug in the appliance and test to make sure that the new knob is working properly. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.